Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Roxy and today I will teach you how to make this amazing crocheted stitch. This stitch is created by me especially for you. It's an amazing stitch and you can use it in many projects. If you are a beginner, don't hesitate to try it because it's very easy to make. This stitch has one row for the foundation and 4 rows who will repeat over and over again. For this stitch I also make the written pattern, and the written pattern is free, and I will put here at the bottom in my description I put the link for the free written pattern or my Ravelry store. If you want the written pattern and also if you download, please support me and subscribe to my channel. And now I will tell you about the yarn that I use. For the line I use an acrylic yarn with mohair, very soft, and the crochet number 4 millimeters. For the variegated yarn I use Papatia batik with the crochet number 3.5 millimeters. So you can use any type of yarn you want with the suitable crochet hook, and you can try this stitch. You will also need a scissor to cut the yarn and a yarn needle to hide the yarn. And now let's begin the stitch. For the stitch you must chain an even number or a multiple of 2. For this example I chain 10. Make a slip knot and chain the number of stitches that you need. In my case I chain only 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then yarn over, skip 1 stitch into the next, insert the crochet and make half double crochet. Into the next stitch, half double crochet. Into the next, half double crochet. Into the next stitch, half double crochet. This is the foundation row and it's worked with half double crochet. Continue to finish the row and then I will show you how to make the row number 1. I finish the foundation row, and after you finish the foundation row you will have an odd number of stitches. In my case I chain 10, then I skip 1 and I make half double crochet in every chain, and in total I have 9 stitches. Okay? And now we begin the row number 1 at the stitch. Chain 1, turn your work. Into the same stitch, into the first stitch, make 1 slip stitch. Yarn over, into the next stitch, make 1 half double crochet. Into the next stitch, make slip stitch. Into the next stitch, half double crochet. So this first row is worked with slip stitch and half double crochet. So slip stitch, half double crochet, slip stitch, half double crochet. When you reach it at the end of the row, always at the first row, at the last stitch, you will make a slip stitch. The first row at the stitch is ready. Chain 1 and now when you turn your work Look how beautiful it is. Row, now we begin the row number 2. Yarn over, into the same stitch, make 1 half double crochet. Into the next stitch, half double crochet. This second row, it's worked with half double crochet in every stitch. And also the last half double crochet is make it into the first slip stitch that you make at the beginning of the previous row. And now the row number 2 is ready. Now we begin the row number 3. Now we begin the row number 3. Chain 1, turn your work. When you turn your work after the row with half double crochet, you will have 2 loops at the top, 1 and 2, and 1 loop who it is here between the stitch. 1 stitch, the second. So between the stitch is a loop. We use this loop between the stitch and we make like that. So yarn over, insert the crochet into the loop who it is between the stitch and make half double crochet. So this is the loop between the stitch. Insert the crochet into the loop who it is between the stitch and make half double crochet. So you will continue to make this stitch until you reach it at the last stitch. At the last stitch we make a normal half double crochet. So insert the crochet and make a normal half double crochet. Chain 1, turn your work, and look how beautiful it is. Okay? And now we make the row number 4, the last row at the stitch. Yarn over, and now we make back loop half double crochet. So yeah, after you yarn over, insert the crochet into the back loop and make half double crochet. So back loop, half double crochet. In every stitch until we reach it at the last stitch. At the last stitch, one moment, until I reach it at the last stitch. So into the last stitch we make a normal half double crochet. And look how it look like the stitch. And now we repeat from the row number 1. Chain 1, turn your work and make slip stitch and half double crochet. Slip stitch and half double crochet. Slip stitch and half double crochet. Slip stitch, half double crochet, and at the end, as I already show you, slip stitch. Okay? I hope you understand how it's worked, this stitch. I think it's very beautiful and also very easy to make. If you want to support me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Just click the red button that you see here on the screen. And thank you so much for your support, and bye bye.